Agencies don't struggle because they lack talent. They struggle because the work never comes in one clean line. And when planning, execution, communication, and follow-ups live in different tools, even great teams slow down. That's why choosing the right agency management software matters more than ever. So in this video, let's break down 7 best agency management tools to help you run smoother operations without losing creative momentum. Let's start with the tool that brings everything together, ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one agency management platform designed to handle projects, people, clients, and timelines, all in one workspace. So instead of switching tools every time work moves forward, everything lives together. In ClickUp, every project is broken down into clear, trackable tasks. Nothing gets buried in emails, chats, or someone's memory. And because agencies rarely work in straight lines, ClickUp lets teams choose how they want to see their work. Some teams prefer boards to track progress, others need calendars to stay on top of deadlines. Managers rely on workload views to make sure no one's stretched too thin. ClickUp supports all of that without forcing everyone into the same workflow. As projects take shape, ClickUp Docs keep briefs, strategies, and SOPs connected to the work itself, right where teams need them. And when ideas are still forming, whiteboards help teams brainstorm visually, mapping campaigns, workflows, and timelines before execution begins. And as work moves into execution, updates start piling up, task changes, comments, feedback, and decisions spread across the workspace. This is where ClickUp Brain comes in. As the world's most complete work AI, it works across your entire ClickUp workspace, tasks, docs, comments, and timelines, giving teams instant clarity without the manual catch-up. If you want to see the bigger picture, dashboards bring everything together. Project status, deadlines, team workload, all updated in real time. And to reduce manual follow-ups, ClickUp automations handle routine steps, moving tasks, sending reminders, and keeping work flowing without constant check-ins. And the best part, when you don't want to build workflows from scratch, just rely on ClickUp's marketing agency template that helps teams set up projects quickly and easily. Put it all together, and ClickUp gives agencies one connected system where planning, execution, collaboration, and follow-ups actually stay in sync. Moving on to scheduling. Calendly simplifies how agencies book time with clients, candidates, and partners. Instead of long email threads, clients can pick a time directly from your availability, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. Calendly also handles reminders, follow-ups, and pre-call questions, so teams can focus on real work instead of logistics. The only catch is, it works best when synced with Google Calendar, and Outlook users may see occasional inconsistencies. Next up is Make, a no-code workflow automation tool built for agencies that want to streamline their operations. Make visually maps out every automation you build so teams can clearly see how workflows move from one step to the next. Agencies use Make for things like lead routing, contract workflows, and internal handoffs, helping close deals faster with less manual work. That said, defining complex automations can feel challenging at first, especially for teams new to workflow logic. For agencies managing social media at scale, Sprout Social brings everything into one place. Teams can plan and publish content while optimizing customer experiences across multiple social channels with AI-powered solutions. Its analytics dashboards help agencies understand audience behavior and tailor strategies for clients more effectively. While powerful, Sprout Social does take time to learn, and pricing may be higher for smaller agencies. The next tool, Circle, is designed for agencies that focus on building communities, for teams, creators, and client brands. It supports community building, live streams, and events, helping teams and audiences stay engaged in one shared space. Agencies often use Circle to strengthen brand presence or bring people together around a shared vision. Moving on, testimonials can significantly impact agency growth, and Testimonial, the tool, makes collecting them simple. Agencies can gather text or video testimonials and embed them on websites or landing pages without any coding. All testimonials live in one dashboard, making it easy to track performance and highlight top feedback. Editing options are limited though, so teams may need external tools to refine videos. Alright, last but not least is Coda. It blends documents, to-dos, tasks, and data into one interactive workspace. Agencies use it to organize information, collaborate internally, and speed up decision-making. Its Packs feature allows teams to pull in data from other tools, creating connected documents. That said, some users find the interface dated, and large documents can become hard to manage over time. So there you have it. The 7 best agency management software shaping how modern agencies work. Scheduling, automation, social, collaboration, each solves a piece of the puzzle. But agencies don't work in pieces. They work across projects, clients, deadlines, and teams at the same time. That's where ClickUp comes in. It brings tasks, docs, and collaboration all in one place. Sign up for free today at ClickUp.com and see the difference for yourself.